This is a 2019 Mercedes E-Class. Customer wanted CarPlay on the factory screen. So to get in and out of the CarPlay menu, the back button that's just here, we're going to press and hold it for a couple seconds and it will go into the CarPlay menu. This works with wireless and wired, featuring iPhone and an Android phone as well. It gives you capabilities such as maps, so you can use your scrolling wheel to go through the icons. So there's your maps. Obviously you can choose to search a location from here and input it through the keyboard, or you can change the location from your phone and it would change up here via each way. We have things such as Google Maps as well, that will be on here. Click into Google Maps, same thing applies, search button, or you can do it via your phone. You have Spotify here as well, and if we use the scrolling wheel, I can go over to a current playlist which is just playing over here, and this will be the playlist.
And does it work with the steering wheel controls as well?
Yep, so steering controls, volume down and volume up.
Treat yourself to limitless music.
All of that works as normal.